Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am sharing healthy and tasty evening snacks recipes for children. I make these kinds of healthy snacks for children as I prefer kids to enjoy homemade snacks rather than packed ones which contain so many preservatives. Moreover, homemade snacks are fresh and made with real ingredients. Now coming to our first snack recipe, take 1 cup of raw peanuts and soak them for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, our peanuts are soaked well, so pressure cook until 2 whistles and allow them to cool. Now look, our peanuts are well cooked. This is a great evening snack that kids would love to munch on. Now to this cooked peanuts, add salt according to taste, a grated carrot and half chopped onion. Now mix until everything combines. Peanuts are as popular as they are healthy. They are an excellent plant-based source of protein and high in various vitamins, minerals, fiber and healthy fats. Despite high in calories, peanuts are nutrient rich and low in carbs. Usually I add chopped cucumber or kheera also to this, but right now I'm running out of cucumber, so I didn't add that. So we are done with our first recipe for healthy evening snack. So let's move on to the second recipe and see what it is. Second recipe, soak moong dal at night before going to bed, and so by next day morning they are ready. Now spread the soaked moong dal on the kitchen towel like this, and again cover it with the kitchen towel and sprinkle some water and leave them for sprouting until the second day. Moong dal is extremely light and high on proteins, vitamin, minerals and essential amino acids. Our sprouted moong dal contains more of amino acids and antioxidants that can neutralize free radical damage to cancer growth and lowers the LDL cholesterol. Also, sprouting reduces levels of phytic acid. By the second day, as our sprouts are ready, now add them to the pressure cooker and add half a cup of water and pressure cook until 2 whistles and switch off the flame and allow them to cool. After the pressure is released, take these cooked moong dal to a bowl and add half a cup of chopped onions, salt according to our taste and a pinch of black pepper powder. Now give a good mix until everything combines well and squeeze half lemon juice over it to enjoy. As our second recipe for healthy evening snack is done, let's move on to the third recipe and see what it is. For this, take the sweet corn in a bowl like this and steam cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our sweet corn is well cooked. Now heat the pan and add a spoon of butter to this pan. Now add our steam cooked sweet corn to this pan and also add a pinch of black pepper powder and salt according to our taste. Now give a good mix until everything combines and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Sweet corn is loaded with phytochemicals that promote health vision. The insoluble fiber in corn feeds good bacteria in our gut and helps in proper digestion. As the sweet corn is rich in vitamin B12, folic acid and iron, this reduces the risk of anemia. So friends, these are 3 healthy protein packed snacks for kids. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to stay tuned for more healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video.